Hey, isn't that upside down? Let me just fix it. Let me see. I think it goes this way, right? Yes. Perfect. Hi guys, Laura here. The biggest holiday in Taiwan is just around the corner. There's so many things that I still have to prepare for Chinese New Year. I have to go buy firecrackers, I need to go buy red envelopes, I need to get cash, I need to go buy food, I need to do some spring cleaning, I need to go buy new clothes, I need to go buy new games, and then I have to find some time to call my mom and dad so I can spend time with my family. Whew, so many things. One of the ways to help your home feel more festive during the Chinese New Year period is by decorating it with spring couplets. Spring couplets are short poems or words of inspiration that are meant to bring good luck and fortune to your home for the next year. Let's talk to Teacher Doris to find out more. Hi Doris, what can you tell us about spring couplets?
Hi Laura, spring couplets are written in black ink on red paper with a brush. Some characters are easy to write, and with a little practice you can do it too. Two of my students will write 大吉大利 for Chinese New Year. It means wishing you good fortune and good favor. So let's see how the students do.
Hi.
Wow guys, that looks amazing! This reminds me to call my dad to ask him to write me some spring couplets. But as you guys can tell, they come in all shapes and sizes. Which one do you think looks the best? Let us know! Hope you guys have a fantastic year of the ox. Have fun making your couplets and take a picture and send it to us. We'll see you soon. Bye! Thank you guys very much for watching this episode of Newsflash. Please remember to subscribe to all of our channels and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye!